Dear student, in this video we study the starting flow in plane Corti motion. This diagram shows, consider the plate placed along x-axis which is suddenly set in motion with velocity u is equal to u0 in its own plane, and another plate which is rest is parallel to the lower plate at a distance h apart. This is clearly in a diagram. The y-axis is taken normal to the plate. The fluid between the plate in at rest before starting motion of lower plate. The governing equation of motion of viscous incompressible fluid between parallel plates is given by del u by del t is equal to del square by del y square. This is equation number 1, where u is the velocity component along x-axis, either u is time and v is the kinematic viscosity. The initial boundary condition when t is less than 0 is equal to 0 for all y's, and boundary condition when t is greater than 0 u is equal to u0 when y is equal to 0, and u is equal to 0 when y is equal to h. This is equation number 2. Introducing the following transformation, u is equal to u naught f neta. This is equation number 3, where neta is equal to y upon 2 under root nu into t. So using equation 3 in 1, then we get f double dash neta plus twice neta f dash neta is equal to 0. This is equation number 4, where a prime denote differentiation with respect to neta, and the corresponding boundary condition are when neta is equal to 0 f neta is equal to 1, when neta is equal to neta 1 then f neta is equal to 0, where neta 1 is equal to h upon twice under root upon nu into t, जो कि माना है. Observing equation 4, then we get f neta is equal to 1 minus error function neta, and we know very well that 1 minus error function neta is equal to complementary error function, and this is equation number 6. This is the particular solution which satisfied the first boundary condition, where error function neta is equal to 2 upon under root pi into integration limit between 0 to neta e की power minus neta square into d neta. If f neta is solution of equation 4, then f alpha neta plus 1 minus 1 is also a solution of it, where alpha is an arbitrary constant. Then the solution of equation 4, which satisfies with the boundary condition in 5, can be written as u upon u naught is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to infinite f twice n neta plus neta minus summation n is equal to 0 to infinite f twice n plus 1 neta 1 minus n. Or in another word, we can write it as error function neta minus complementary error function 2n1 minus eta plus complementary function of 2n1 plus eta and symmetry. This is equation 7. So the velocity profile for different values of under root nu into t upon h in figure 2 shows how the stationary upper plate affect the velocity variation. As expected, the velocity tend asymptotically to the linear distribution of the steady state. So the velocity distribution for starting plane Corti flow motion in is this. We can this is as this in direction is y by h, and this direction in this direction this is 0 to 1 h. Then diagram is this. Velocity is linear. Thanks.